Christmas Eve, 11 o'clock in the morning, and we've had a record-breaking snow, which came on Wednesday, and this is Friday. Now it's 1 degree, and it's going to get colder. This is our new garage that's almost snowed in. Dwayne came and plowed us out last night. But you can see there's a lot of snow.
How soon are you leaving?
I'm going to try to get to the grocery store and see if there's any food left at the grocery.
Come on the front.
It is very cold out here. The snowmen are in their element. There's our wagon in the snow. Merry Christmas, everybody. Here's one of Rudolph's friends out seeing almost 20 inches of snow for the first time in his life. And he's not quite sure what to do with it. His friend Danny got to see it yesterday. Uh-oh, we just shed our antlers. Dang. This is the snowy winter wonderland.
Right.
We're at Val's house the day after Christmas.
All right, Merry Christmas.
And gee, she doesn't have anything for us to eat. I don't know what we're going to do.
You can park in her driveway. It wasn't clear the last time I
We
did
may
it.
go to
So
McDonald's.
she got it cleared off. So
Alright.
We're also having Nicholas's birthday, which was yesterday.
There's like this was for the
Bigger, the rooms are bigger. They're freestanding, you know.
Yes.
They're not joined.
Well, this place is a lot, well, where my lounge chair is, where I stay almost all the time anymore, is,
I'm picking up a AAA membership tomorrow before I head out. I normally do that before I do big trips, especially with the car as old as mine.
Hello,
I'm not expecting the car.
Hi.
The car's good
Hey,
and reliable.
CJ, turn around and say hi.
I've been driving in snow and ice my whole
There
life,
we
so
go.
I'm not worried
There's
about
CJ.
the road conditions.
Hi, Grandma. This is my snake. I'm playing with.
All right, you guys are having a good time, aren't you? All right.
CJ, see why I...
yeah.
We're at Val and Steve's the day after Christmas. There's Ben getting ready to go to sunny California, hopefully. Pick up
it's
his
like
worldly
I know what
possessions.
to do. I know what to do when there's 3 feet of snow on the ground.
Leave town.
Leave town. You got it.
Okay.
Here, give that back to Val.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
So your subscription to Reader's Digest.
Okay. Wonderful.
So glad.
I'll give you something
I
to
just
read.
knew how to read.
The
Thank you, Valerie.
#1 preferred reading material for the white porcelain
I'm
light.
gonna bring you flowers when the baby's born.
Crazy
Here's
Eights.
Christmas cookies instead.
Crazy
They're
Eights
the
is
nicest
fun.
people.
I like that
They
one.
fixed up that house and I just told
You
them
and me can play Crazy Eights when you come over and visit.
I don't think he knew them at all, knew who they were, and that was it.
Hagamars.
I said, she would watch everybody go there. She didn't care if she got anything. She said,
Thank you. Oh, that's fun.